Hey everybody. If you've been here for a while, you may remember when Antlion Audio reached out to me a few years ago and asked if I would review one of their modular mics. I don't really do a lot of product reviews, I'm sure you're aware, but at the time, I was really needing a new mic, so I was super interested and I decided to give it a shot. And it really impressed me with the quality of the mic and performance that when they reached out to me again and asked if I'd be interested in reviewing their new Kimura In-Ear Monitor headset, I was excited. I was like, yeah, let's give this a shot. I also like being upfront with all of you guys when I do these sponsored videos and let you know what my agreement is with the companies. Just so you're aware, I'm not getting paid any money to do this. I don't get a kickback if you guys buy anything from them. All they did was they sent me one of their headsets for testing, and I always require that the sponsors let me detail any cons I have of their products, and if they ask me like, hey, don't mention the negative stuff that you think of, I just don't cover their stuff, because I don't want to lie to you guys in sponsored segments. So also they said that they'll be keeping an eye on the comments, so if you guys have any questions regarding these devices, put them in the comments below if I don't answer them, and hopefully they'll get back to you. So this is covering their Kimura In-Ear Monitor headsets. These come in a variety of different styles. I tend to really like audio quality just because of what I do as a hobby, but I'm not I'm not what most people would consider an audiophile. I listen to audiobooks and podcasts. I watch YouTube videos and Twitch streams. I play video games. I don't listen to like music. I don't really get into like vinyl and high quality stuff like that. So my terminology in this might not be 100% correct, but I'm sure you'll get the idea. So the Kimura headset comes as either just a cable and microphone combo set. That way, if you have your own in-ear monitors already, you can just get the cable by itself, or you can also get the Kimura monitors, and they have them in either solo or duo style. The solos have a single audio driver that gives really good bass performance. The solos are also red in color, in case you're interested. And then the duo versions have an additional armature, I think is the right term, that adds additional clarity for treble tones. And the duos are also blue, if that's a big concern for you. Just to be upfront, I got the Kimura Duo for testing. So I have both the bass and the treble components of the thing. The cable itself comes in two different formats depending on what type of IEM you already have. It comes in a 2-pin format as well as a MMCX version. So if you've already got your own monitors, make sure you get the right kind. If you get the Kimura in-ear monitors themselves, they're MMCX style. The cord's about 2 meters long, so I guess that's 6 feet. And it also uses the standard 3.5 millimeter headphone jacks for both the earpieces and the microphone. It also comes with, one of the things I liked is it came with a metal lapel clip, so that you can attach it to like your shirt or whatever. But like I've had other headsets in the past that come with lapel clips, and they're usually like these rubber plastic things, and they're just terrible. But this metal one's really good. I've personally never used an in-ear monitor before, but the concept of them has always interested me. I'm not a huge fan of earbuds, as I'm sure anybody who's watched a lot of my stuff knows. I never use earbuds, except when I travel, just because, it's a little more convenient. I always feel like earbuds are sliding out of my ear, falling out. And they're pretty uncomfortable, generally speaking. Like, half the earbuds don't even have the little rubber adapter things that you can pop on there. They're just like hard plastic shells that it either fits in your ear or it doesn't. The Kimura IEMs that I got, the Duos, they fit really comfortable. And I've got pretty large ears. And they also have those standard interchangeable earbud rubber earpiece things. So like if you've got a big selection of those already that fit your ears, you can just use those on these IEMs. But it also comes with a bunch as well. I'll get to that in a minute. The mic cable itself goes over the top of your ear. Some people may not like that. I do. I've also, like, I've used different kinds of headsets in work and stuff like that have this over-the-ear design, and I actually prefer those as opposed to, like, a band that goes over the top of your head or whatever. And when you adjust them to your ear, because you can, like, squeeze the over-ear design to kind of, like, fit it to your ear, and now I can shake my head really violently. I don't know if you can hear that on the mic. I can shake my head and the IEMs don't move at all. The mic wiggles a little bit, but like it's probably less than what you would actually think it moves. I've had these for about a week and a half, 2 weeks maybe. I've watched some videos and streams. I've played a few hours of video games with them on, and I can barely tell the difference between the Kimura monitors and my dedicated, like, headphones. The only real thing I don't get out of the monitors is surround sound, but other than that, the quality of the sound is pretty much the same to me. So for something so small and super light and easily portable, that's really impressive to me, at least. I'll probably still use my headphones at my main computer and stuff like that, but when I go into the office to work and when I go on business trips, which y'all know I do semi-regularly, I'm definitely going to start taking these instead of my normal little junky earbuds that I didn't like to begin with. The microphone's also really high quality for being so small. This whole video is recorded using the Kimura microphone. I'm not using my big performance mic that I use when I normally stream or anything. It's really small, pretty sleek, and the one thing I was questioning when I first got this was it doesn't come with one of those little foam pop filters. I asked my contact, I was like, why doesn't it come with that? And they said mainly it comes like this for two reasons. They like the sleeker look and design of not having the little foam filter on the end of it. Also, those little foam filters are like super cheap online. You can get like a handful of them for just a couple of dollars. So if you really want to get one, you can. In addition to the fact that the way you're supposed to sit the mic for this headset is the microphone sits next to your cheek as opposed to in front of your mouth. So the likelihood of you doing the whole like puh and buh and getting huge pops out of those is pretty low if you've got it set properly. Also, if you've got like a beard like I do, your beard hair rubbing against that little pop filter is going to make a lot of scratching sounds sometimes. So again, you could either see that as a pro or a con depending on your personal taste. But the way it's set up for me, I like it without the pop filter. So, and again, like I said a second ago, those pop filters are super cheap, so you can just go online and pick one up if you really want one. So the Kimura Solo and Duos, they come with the exact same stuff in the box, except for the actual, like, the Duo, you get the extra treble armature thing in the IEM itself. But it comes with, look at the box real quick. You get the in-ear monitors if you get it with the Solo or the Duo. You get the microphone headset cable. You get 4 different sized rubber earpiece adapter things. I don't know if those have a real name, but anyway, you know what I'm talking about. It comes with a little carrying case for all of it. Oh, and it also comes with one of those headset microphone combo adapter little it's not a cable, it's a physical plastic piece, but it's so that you can plug both the headset and the microphone 3.5 millimeter cables into this one adapter, and then you can plug the adapter into like your laptop, or if you've got like a PlayStation or Xbox controller that has the headset plug on the bottom that uses both headset and microphone, it'll plug into that as well. Other than that, if you want to pick up the Kimura microphone cable and use it with your own in-ear monitors, that should run you $59.95 US dollars. Again, make sure there's the 2-pin and the MMCX version. Just get the right one that you want. And then the Kimura Solo should run $99.95, and the Duo is $149.95, and all of that's USD. So you'll have to either do conversion for it or just go to their website or Amazon, and it'll tell you. I'm gonna have links below in the description to go to Antlion Audio, and you can purchase this stuff there directly. Or you should also be able to get it on Amazon or any of the other big audio resellers as well. Anyway, thanks for coming, and I will see you guys later.